Welcome everyone to my new review video for Top 1 Futures brand new product, Elite Daily. They're running daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. It's surprisingly good, guys, and I'd like to share with you an explanation. I'd like to help you understand it, give you all the insights needed, and help you to navigate. I'm gonna review it. Before we get into the subject, we do have daily giveaways on my live stream from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. With Top 1 Futures accounts on my live stream, you can win for free participating in our giveaways. We're trading live, we're sharing education, we're spending great time with our community there, and we're doing giveaways. It's also part of our Discord, Scramble's prop firm community. You can join for free, guys. This is the great place people gather. The links are in the comments area, in the description area for everything, including the coupon code Scramble, which gives you maximum discount available. For example, the first purchase is 60% off and then 50%, so feel free to use that. Top 1 Futures is $22 million in payouts. It is a well-established prop firm. I've been personally trading with Top 1 since April 2025, and our community has been on the same approach with great experience. Now, continuing in both, Elite Daily is their new product. Daily payout, no consistency on the funded stage. Surprisingly good. Let's just break it down. The 25,000, 50, and 100,000 are the available products. With the profit target, we're speaking about evaluation product here. Right? So you're buying an evaluation product. You're not buying an instant funded. An evaluation product, you pass the evaluation, and then you restart trading from the original balance on the funded stage. In the funded stage, you can take your payout in your first day. I'll explain you how and why and how does it works with the payout rules coming out soon. So the profit target is at 6% for the evaluation. That's industry standards, guys. No surprising, right? Evaluation is at 6%. We got used to that. It's simple. Simple, obviously, theoretically. In trading, we need to do some efforts. Daily loss limit. We don't have a daily loss limit in the evaluation phase, in the challenge phase, but we do have a daily loss limit in the funded stage. And I'm going to share with you. The drawdown is not trailing during the day. It's based on end of the day, so it's static during the day. And then it trails based on the end of the day balance you have. And we got the industry standards on those numbers, right? So 2,000 for the, I think the 50K and the 100K are the best products here. So I'm going to speak more on the 50 and 100K. We are speaking about the 2,000, the classic 2,000 for the 50K and the classic 3,000 for the 100K. Minimum days to pass the evaluation. You have a minimum days of 3 to pass the evaluation, and I don't think that's an issue considering how valuable is the funded stage of this product with the ability to take money out daily. I mean, if you're spending 3 days in the evaluation and then the next day on the 4th you can take a payout, it's not an issue for sure. Think about how many payouts you can take in your funded stage, basically daily. Right, so it wouldn't be a problem if they would have minimum days to pass, even 5, as long as you can take daily payouts afterwards. I guess so. Consistency unfunded, we don't have consistency unfunded, and that's quite amazing. Traders want to leave their winners and produce more and more and benefit out of great trading, out of a good edge they got. Well, that's only possible when you don't have consistency. Otherwise, we always have to limit our profits to meet the consistency level. But this way, we let our winners run and we produce money that we can basically cash out constantly in multiple cycles. Reset fee. You can reset the accounts, right? So that means if you fail the challenge, you can reset the challenge, and you can also reset a funded account, and that's quite interesting. Scramble code for that one too, guys, for the best discounts on board. Usually the reset fees are resets are not having discounts, whatever code you're using. No. Activation fee, none. So you don't have to pay an activation fee once you pass your evaluation. And then right now, because of the promotion of the launch, it's possible to have 5 active accounts, 5 totally combined of evaluation and funded, right? So probably first, you can do copy trading, guys. Nicely, you can do copy trading and perform your business there. If you grab 5 accounts of whatever model, and you pass 3 of them, for example, and then you can only grab 2 evaluations more, right? So combined of evaluations and funded, you can have 5 at the moment. This is going to go down to 3 once this promotions will end. And, in a nutshell, this is what we're presented on the main page. But then obviously there is a lot to talk about from the sector of the help desk. Let me share with you with the other details, such as the payout rules. This is something really important. Payouts are not available on the evaluation stage, and that's absolutely normal. Payouts are available in the funded stage daily. There is a payout split of 90% to the trader, 10% with a firm. This is already industry standards. Not an issue on that one. $500 minimum withdrawal amount. This is the maximum payout per request you can do depending on the account. So $1,500, and think about that's possible daily, and I think that's great, guys. Right? So $1,500 daily, I'll take that all day long, especially when right now, with my code, the first account is sitting at around $160 for the 100,000. Only $160 for this one for the first account, and then $200 basically like this for the upcoming purchases. That's a great price there. As long as I can take this money out daily, I think we have a great edge sitting on board. Now, obviously, we got to question what are the levels we have to reach to start taking payouts. Well, look at that one. There is a buffer, and the profits can only be withdrawn above the buffer. So you have to produce first the buffer. Again, speaking about 3% for the 100K and 4% for the 50K, right? So we have a much better situation here percentage-wise for the 100K. 3% is the buffer. Produce that 3%, 3,000, and then whatever you produce above that is possible to be cashed out. You cannot withdraw in your buffer. You always withdraw above your buffer, and that's how the industry works. So if I want to take out my max payout of 1,500 in my first cycle, for example, in my first day, I got to produce 4,500. Do I have to make that in a single day? Obviously not. But if I don't have consistency, and if I have a great trade, which often happens, you guys see that on the live stream, we make 4,500 in our first day, we take out 1,500. We're left with 103, and we're continuing to trade from there. How? Well, we have a daily progression rule of 50% rule. Let me explain that to you guys. This is quite unique. For each payout request, at least 50% of the requested payout must come from profits generated since your last payout, right? So at least 50% of the money you're requesting must come from profits you made since your last payout. If you want to request 1,500, you have to make at least 750. And this is obviously referring to your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth payout. That's what it refers to, right? So let's just do the math in the following way. Let's say we made 105 grand in our I wouldn't say first day because it might be ridiculous. Maybe first 3 days or something like that of trading in the funded stage, 105 grand. We made 5% on the account. We didn't cash out at 104,500. We made an extra $500 simply because we were trailing on our trade and the market produced naturally more money, and that was great. So we allowed the winner to run higher, and we made 105. So we're taking out 1,500 from 105. How does it look like? Well, you're remaining with 103,500. You have 500 above the buffer. That's great. If I want to take 1,500, I always have to produce $750, and that's what to the daily progression rules of 50% refers. You have to produce 50% minimum 50% of the requested payout, right? You are requesting 1,500, you got to do 750 minimum between the payouts, 750. As long as you got money above the buffer that you can request, you just have to do 750, 750, 750, 750, as long as you have money above the buffer. And that's the way it works, right? So if you're left with 3,750 profit after deducting the money you cashed out in your first payout, and you're left with 3,750. You're making just 750 and you're taking max payout. You only have to produce 50% of what you want to take out since your last payout, right? So they're not requesting you, and this is quite interesting, guys. They're not requesting you to produce the money you're cashing out in your second, third, fourth payouts. They're only requesting you to produce minimum 50% of what you want to cash out. I think that's very valuable to understand. They give you examples, and that's exactly what we've been speaking. Obviously each time it resets that 50%. So each time in each payout, between the payouts, you have to produce that 50%. And that's pretty much all about the payouts here. That's pretty much all about the payouts. Really, that's pretty much all about the payouts. Continuing on other things, maximum accounts. There's some rules. You can have 5 elite daily accounts at a time, combined of evaluation and funded. We talked about. We do have some things, guys, such as the daily loss limit, and let me share with you which are the daily loss limits. We have a news trading rules, we have a contract scaling rules, but let's talk about the max loss limits and daily loss limit in the funded stage. The daily loss limits in the funded stage are the following. So 1,250 right there is for the 100K, $1,000 is for the 50K. That's quite of a big difference in the percentage. This is a soft breach. If you hit your daily loss limit in your funded stage, it's a soft breach, right? So it's not going to kill your account. It's just going to stop you from trading during the day. And then you resume trading the next business day. If you hit 1,250 for the 100K, you are going to be stopped trading for that day and you'll continue trading the next day. Not an issue with that one. If you want a higher percentage on the account size, then you have the 1,000 for the 50K. I mean, a lot of the people say this is helpful. And you know why? Because otherwise they would blow the account. Especially when they have a loss, they get into a spiral, emotional breakdown, and that would actually result in a loss most of the time. So the daily slot list limit that is enforced by the company is protecting them to do that. I don't think this is a bad thing in general, but obviously there are some cons and pros against. The daily loss limit is the daily loss limit. We have to apply it to our strategies and keep it accordingly with that. I think that's quite fair. Now, other things that we have to talk about. Max loss limit, we clearly know it from the original page, from the, what's the max loss limit, daily payout rules we talked about, contract scaling plan. Let me explain what does it mean. You have a scaling plan possibilities in the, in the funded stage. So depending on the account size you're talking about, the contract scaling plan only applies to the funded stage and not to evaluation stage, which means on the funded stage, you cannot trade with the maximum contracts from the starting balance. You have to reach a certain balance to be able to increase the amount of maximum contracts, right? So scaling based on simulated profits achieved. And that means, for example, for the 50K and the 100K, these are the simulated profits from your account, and they are correlated with that specific contracts you can have, right? So if you want to reach basically full allocation, then you need to make, once you have minimum $2,000 in your account, you can do full allocation. In the meantime, you can do those specific contracts in your trades, right? So, the 100K starts from 2 minis, and if you want to get to your 5 minis, you first need to have $3,000 in your profit, then you can trade 5 minis in a single trade. Looking at the opening, guys, if you trade the New York session, 2 minis is, $40 a point, right? On NASDAQ, for example, 2 minis is $40 a point. 10 points is $400. That's like 40 points needed. 40 points needed, approximately, slightly less than 40 points needed to be able already to have 1,500, and then being the next category, the next day you will be able to trade 3 minis. The next day, guys. So this, max contracts will always update based on the end of the day, right? So the next day you are going to be able to trade 3 minutes. Once you cross the 2,000 marks, you're already as $80 a point. And the 5 minis is $100 a point. Quite juicy, guys. You get a move of 30 points out there. That's $3,000. That's, lovely, right? So that's the way it works with the scalings. Depends where your balance is located, that's how your max contracts will adjust. News trading rules only for the funded stage. Something to know about: that news trading is limited for the funded stage. For the evaluation stage, we do not have restrictions. For the funded stage, 2 minutes restricted window, which means 2 minutes before major events and 2 minutes after. That represents a total of 4 minutes. Why is this thing happening? Well, you know, people would just simply blindly gamble something on a news event, and they would be able to, you know, make 10 grand in 10, 20, 30 seconds. I mean, that kind of behavior is obviously not allowed. You can trade, but you know, certainly not during this 4 minutes window of restricted events. These are the restricted events. Here we have listed. You want to pause the video and do a screenshot. These are the ones listed right there, and that's what you have to know. Very important. Obviously, what does it count as an executed trade? Even the limit orders, take profits, all these things are executed trades, guys. So certainly you have to flatten everything, not have any pending orders. You don't want to touch anything, guys. You don't want to leave anything pending orders there on the chart for sure. Holding trades during the news. You may hold a trade during a news event if the position was open before the 2-minute pre-news window. However, if you manually close inside the restricted window, it's a violation because you've traded during the restricted time, and that's the 4-minute. If you modify stop loss on targets, again, it's a violation because you have acted during that 4 minutes. Any actions are prohibited. If you have trades running before, you can still leave it open, but you have to leave them open for 4 minutes, guys. You can't control your trade. You can't exit. Right? You can't exit. You cannot control your trades for 4 minutes. What happens if the rule is violated? Profits generated from the violated trade may be removed. The payout request may be denied. The account may be flagged for review. So certainly suggesting you to avoid it. And what else do we have here to talk about? Right profit target. We do know it. The consistency evaluation. That's pretty much all about, guys. That's pretty much all about it in a nutshell. Now, it is a great account if you are trading, guys, normally and properly. It's not an account that you can just run out there when the user and trying to make 9 grand in 10 seconds. I mean, you can make big money when you're talking about the New York session, London session, and all that stuff. In trading, you can do big money if you're trading properly and normally. And the fact that we can have daily payouts, so, you know, we're bringing the account to the buffer, and then, you know, producing money above the buffer, we take it out, right? You know, we just have to make that buffer, and then above that buffer, constantly making the 1,500. We take that out, lovely, and that we can do it daily, right? So, which is why I would certainly suggest you to take your time to pass the evaluation and take your time to create that buffer, and then whatever you make daily afterwards, you can take it out, as long as it's minimum 500, right? So, I mean, that's very comfortable, guys. That's very comfortable, I would say. That's where we are in a nutshell. That's where we are in a nutshell. Coupon code Scramble, maximum discount, always attached to it. Thank you so much, guys, for using it. Feel free to join our daily giveaways on YouTube on the live stream. Feel free to join our Discord community, guys, with great traders and a lovely environment for people. Speaking of props, speaking of trading, speaking of anything that's helpful and educational, have a lovely day, lovely time. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments area. Thank you, guys. Have a beautiful day.